Hello everyone, it's Linda from 1001 Cooking here with a new video. In this video we'll learn how to make easy condensed milk. The recipe is easy to follow and economical but also tastes even better than the one you buy. So for this recipe we'll be needing sugar, milk and water. Yep, that's all. You can find the recipe in the description box or here on the screen. Now the process is not complicated. Mix the milk and sugar with the water and mix them well. Here I'm using a blender to blend them well. Now place the mixture on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes while stirring it until it starts holding itself together. Here I use the pan cause it helps cook it faster. So now place it on low heat. Now after cooking it for a couple minutes, it started making these bubbles around. So now you start mixing it until it's ready. You can see it starts holding itself together. So just a couple minutes to go. Hello again. I'm sorry for interrupting you, but we need to talk. I wanted to say thank you for all the support you've been giving me. I really appreciate you and I wish to give you only the best quality content. So I'm asking you to help me with this. Please let me know in the comments below or on my Instagram what you want to see next on my channel. Whether it be a recipe, food challenges, tips, and other things that you find interesting that are related to food. So enough talking, let me take you back to the video. Now let it cool for a few seconds before using the filter, then pour it into something else and cover it. You can then place it into the fridge for a couple of hours before using it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.